David, if you weren't a Formula 1 racing driver and Formula 1 didn't exist, what would you be?
I'll be honest, I did not expect him to say what he said. I was kind of hoping he'd say he wanted to be a pilot, because I wanted to quiz him on all the buttons inside the flight deck, but instead had to go and find a real pilot. Meet Tom.
There are loads of buttons here, but Tom, hello. Why are these ones the most important ones?
Yeah, so this right here, this is called the flight control unit. This controls the autopilot. The autopilot is kind of the main way that we interact with the aircraft.
Teach me what exactly you do when
so this is for speed, this is for heading, which is our left and right kind of trajectory. This one does our altitude, so height. We can set it higher or lower and do things with it, pull or push to make it go up and down. Turn the autopilot on with these two buttons here. That is the way that we control the autopilot.
And then when you don't want autopilot anymore, you come onto this joystick, you press the big red button, and now you're in control of the aeroplane.
That's it.
Now I know what you're thinking. Why is a Formula 1 racing driver in the flight deck of a commercial aeroplane? Well, the fact is,
aviation and car racing, they're very similar.
and to bring to life exactly how similar they are, Wizz Air invited David Coulthard on an entire tour where they got to show him the operational excellence that sits behind the fastest growing airline in Europe.
I now know that you know all things when it comes to operation, flight, so I'm feeling pretty secure.
There was a massive film crew filming a YouTube video that's going to be dropping soon to take you behind the scenes and show you exactly what he learned. Keep your eyes peeled for that. But until then, so, David, if you weren't a Formula 1 racing driver, what would you be?
The family business is transportation, so I probably would have been a truck driver, which is nowhere near as glamorous as sitting here in the flight deck of this amazing aircraft here for Wizz Air.